In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install iCloud application on Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to click this search box, or we can click the Windows icon, and here we need to type Microsoft Store, and you see Microsoft Store is there. We just need to click here to open Microsoft Store, and once it is open, you'll find a search box is there. We just need to click here and start typing iCloud, and once we type iCloud and hit enter key, we'll see this type of page. From here we'll see iCloud application is there. We just need to click here and it will be open like this. Here it is mentioning that it's a free application, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so to install it, basically what we need to do, we just need to press this get button, and I'm going to press this get button, and very shortly you will see it is going to install. Once the installation is successful, then this iCloud application can be accessed directly from this application or Windows menu. I'm going to close this window, and now I'm going to click this start menu, and here inside this search box we just need to type iCloud, and once we start typing iCloud, we'll see iCloud application is there. We just need to click here to open the application, and very shortly you will see it is bringing this screen. So before going to logging, actually Windows will give us this type of warning. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes. Then once we press yes, then it is giving us this option. Now here it is asking sign in to iCloud with your Apple account, and now you can log in by using your email and password or phone number and password, and then you can sign in your iCloud account from your Windows computer. Once we sign in our iCloud account completely, then we'll see this type of screen. There will be 5 screens, and each screen it is asking us to synchronize something or not. I'm not going to synchronize now, but it's fine if you try to synchronize now. For the time being, I'm going to turn it off, not now. Then iCloud Drive, not now. Previously it was the photos, iCloud photos. I'm not going to synchronize now. I will do that later. I will show you how to do this in future tutorial. Then synchronize iCloud Drive, I'm also not going to synchronize right now. So here it is showing synchronize your password. So Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. I'm going to choose not now. Synchronize your bookmarks, not now. I'm going to choose this option, and then calendar, synchronize calendars and contacts. This one I am also going to not to synchronize right now. Later I will do, but for this case you need to install Microsoft Outlook, otherwise it will not work. So I'm going to press not now, and very shortly it is showing welcome to iCloud for Windows, and here is the checkbox share iCloud analytics. So I'm not going to check this box because I'm not interested to share my users details or analytics. And then after that we have to press this finish setup, this button. Once we finish setup this thing, we'll see this type of window is coming, and every time from now when you will open the iCloud application, you will see this type of thing. You will see your name is there, and then account details and apps using iCloud. What are the applications right now iCloud is using? So you can configure those, each of them, and then iCloud storage details, like how much space you are using and how much space is free. So right now here it is showing only 47 is used, this much is free. Then also you can upgrade to more higher like space. Then there is some other things like more from Apple. So these are the things it is showing, like iCloud.com. You can also log in to your iCloud account directly, like this type of thing it is showing, and Apple TV and something. This is not important, but you can check. So mail is also important. If you use mail, then also you can use mail also. So now if you press this account details, this button, it will give you all the details like your iCloud account. And if you want to sign out completely from this computer, you can press this sign out, it will be sign out completely. And there are other things it is showing, what are the other devices. Right now I'm using this iCloud. So right now it is showing 2 computers is using this thing, like Windows, this device, then virtual machine, this is also a virtual machine, and FewSteps MacBook, FewSteps virtual machine, iPhone. So basically these 4 devices right now I am using the same Apple iCloud account. So it is showing those list of the devices, and then there is done button. And now we can press this done button to close this window. So other things I am going to show you. If you close this application like this from this small panel, you can also check. If you click here, you will see the iCloud is there. So this is the icon of iCloud. So to change the account settings, you can double click over there. It will bring like this, and from here you can check account profile details, everything. Or you can also check and you can also use these services, this type of things like photos, drive, then password management, bookmarks, calendars, so many things. And that's it. In this way we can easily install the iCloud application for our Windows machine, and then we can use it.